What if a single post could trigger millions of dollars in profits within minutes? And what if some people made money before everyone else even understood what was happening? Today, we're breaking down a controversial question. Did insider trading happen after a post linked to Donald Trump? This topic has sparked serious debate online. Some people believe it was pure coincidence. Others think something bigger was going on behind the scenes. But instead of jumping to conclusions, let's break it down step by step. No hype, no bias, just facts and logic. Section 1. What exactly happened? Here's the situation. A post goes live, and almost instantly, certain stocks begin to move. We're talking about sudden spikes in trading volume, sharp price movements, and rapid profits for some traders. Now in financial markets, movement isn't unusual, but timing is everything. When a stock moves right after a public event, that's normal. But when trades happen just before a big move, that's when people start asking questions. Section 2. Understanding insider trading. Let's simplify insider trading. It's when someone uses non-public, confidential information to make a profit in the stock market. For example, imagine you knew a major announcement was coming, and you bought stocks before that news became public. That's not just smart. That could be illegal. In the US, insider trading is taken very seriously. It's investigated by agencies like the US Securities and Exchange Commission, and if proven, penalties can include huge fines and even jail time. Section 3. Why people are suspicious. So, why are people raising concerns in this case? Here are the main reasons. 1. Unusual trading patterns. Some traders entered positions just before the major price movement. 2. Speed of profit. Profits were made very quickly, sometimes within minutes. 3. Volume spike. Trading volume increased sharply before and after the post. 4. Social media influence. A single post influencing markets raises eyebrows. But here's the key point. Suspicion doesn't equal guilt. Markets are complex, and sometimes patterns that look suspicious can happen naturally. Section 4. How investigations work. When something like this happens, regulators don't just guess, they investigate. Here's how it usually works. They track trading activity. They identify accounts involved. They analyze timing of trades. They check communication records. They're looking for one thing: a clear connection between inside information and trading decisions. If there's no proof of that connection, there's no case. Section 5. What needs to be proven. To officially call something insider trading, 3 key things must be proven. 1. Access to non-public information. Did the person know something others didn't? 2. Intent. Did they intentionally use that information to trade? 3. Violation of trust or law. Was there a breach of duty or confidentiality? If even one of these is missing, the case becomes very weak. Section 6. The reality of modern markets. Here's something most people don't realize. Today's stock market isn't just humans trading. It's dominated by algorithms, computer programs that react in milliseconds. These systems scan news, social media, market signals, and execute trades instantly. So sometimes, what looks like someone knew something early is actually just technology reacting faster than humans can. Section 7. Coincidence vs. manipulation. So, where does that leave us? There are 2 possibilities. 1. Coincidence. Fast-moving markets, algorithmic trading, and public reactions. 2. Potential misconduct. Someone acted on early or privileged information, but without solid evidence. We can't jump to conclusions. Conclusion. So, did insider trading actually happen? As of now, there's no confirmed proof, but the situation highlights something important. Financial markets are powerful, but not always fully understood, and sometimes, the biggest risk isn't what you see, it's what you don't know. If you want more deep dives like this, simple, clear, and real, subscribe now, because in the world of money, information is power.